back to another episode, and today, mostly I kind of want to show you my PVC pipe whistle. It's pretty big, so mostly I need more volume. So we're going to cut it down to right here to make it a tiny bit, so it's going to be like that big when it's done. So we already made the whistle, but we tried it with 120 psi compressor, and mostly it was hard. It took us like half an hour to get all the parts at Lowe's. This is where mostly it took us like half an hour. It took us half an hour just to build this whole thing. And mostly it doesn't work. Like you need like 175, 180 psi to get the right volume. And today I've been commented by someone that he's a YouTuber, so check him out. Mostly I've been wanting to do stuff for a while. Mostly I've been looking all over YouTube just to find, try to find stuff, and anything. Oh yeah, also K-Now released 2 new trains today. The K-Now trains the Canadian National X10A Pro, then the Gainesville. I'm not going to be doing any gaming videos now because mostly I'm going to stop doing them because mostly it's hard. And mostly you will see me using the GoPro. I have the GoPro somewhere. It's charging right now. But, yeah. So, mostly, guys, it's hard to do this stuff. Like, it took us a long time just to make it. And since it failed, we have to cut it down. So, I want you guys to comment, like, subscribe, turn on notifications down below under the video, and mostly, yeah, I'll see you guys hopefully next time.